everybody, it's Dottie. This is the Young Living Essential Oils 101 class, part 3. And I promised to show you how to make a roller bottle. We are going to make a Panaway and Copaiba roller bottle. So this is what we do. This is a 10 milliliter roller bottle. You can get these on Amazon, by the way. If anyone is interested, let me know. I'll send you a web link, or you can just go on there and search. It's very easy to find these. Alright, so we're going to start with a Panaway. It's a 10 ml bottle, this is. So it's 1 drop per ml, so 10 drops. But you can use a little more because I use a little more. But to start, just do 10. Okay. So there's that. There's our Panaway. Then our Copaiba. Excuse me. You notice the oil is coming out more slowly. The oils have different levels of viscosity or thickness. And it doesn't usually vary wildly, but there are oils that are quite thick, like vetiver, which is an essential oil derived from the root of a grass that grows in India, is almost the consistency of honey. It's quite thick, so you have to kind of warm it in your hands before you use it, before it'll come out. And you might have to actually get a dropper and get it out, but most of them come right out very easily. So now we're going to use what? Our carrier oil, which we use fractionated coconut oil, 10 bucks off of Amazon, between 10 and 12 bucks. Don't fill it too full. You only want to fill it to about here, because when you put your little roller fitment in there, you don't want it to spill out. So you just pop it in there, make sure it's on tight. Give it a shake. Here's our cap. Okay, and I have these cute little labels that I like to put on my roller bottles so I know which ones are which. And just pop that on there. Pop on the cap, and it's ready to go. It's ready to roll, literally, okay? Alright, so now we're going to get down to discussing what is in the kit, how much the kit costs, etc. What is in the kit? You get the choice of 2 diffusers. It's either the Dewdrop, which is this one, and it's kind of basic, but it works very well. Everything that they sell is high quality. And if anything ever malfunctions, if you call customer service, because I had that happen, I called customer service, and they sent me, without discussion, they sent me a new diffuser, and it's been fine. So this one is the other option. It's called the Desert Mist. Right now I'm diffusing an oil, and I'm going to turn it off. Okay, it's off. Now I want to turn it on again. So this one is a little fancier because I turn it on, and the first color you see is this bright white color. Next is a more soft white color. Next is a candlelight effect, which is my favorite. It's my personal favorite. And I'm not sure how the rest of the colors are going to translate on the video, so I'll tell you what they are. And they look better in person than they do on the video. So red, kind of a orangey yellow, pale yellow, green, lavender, like a pale lavender, blue, pale pink, and off. So you get the choice of those colors. I kind of like the candlelight flickering effect. Then there's another thing that you get in the kit that I neglected to mention. It's not an oil, but it is called Ninja Red. And I'm going to read the description real quick. From a caramel latte to a can of soda, the drink options that help power your day can be laden with sugar, calories, and unwanted additives. Instead, opt for essential oil-infused Ninja Red to help support normal energy levels. Infused with lemon, orange, yuzu, and tangerine essential oils. Ninja Red is a delicious daily supplement that includes juices and extracts from superfruits like aronia, plum, blueberry, and pomegranate. And best of all, it includes the whole fruit puree of exotic Ninja wolfberries. Add Ninja Red benefits to your life by drinking 2 to 4 ounces twice daily to support overall wellness. Ninja Red is a whole-body, nutrient-infused supplement for health and wellness. Contains powerful ingredients that are involved in many natural antioxidant processes. Powerful formula includes wolfberry, which is touted for its health benefits. Google it. Supports normal cellular function, good health, and overall wellness. Supports normal eye health. Helps prevent against oxidative stress. Ninja Red helps energize, fortify, and revitalize. Now what I want to say is what I'm going to show you are the packets that will come in your kit if you choose to purchase one. You will get two 2-ounce packets. Pop them in the refrigerator. You don't drink Ninja Red like you would drink iced tea or lemonade or water. You drink it an ounce at a time, okay? So you can purchase it in the packets if you wish, or in the bottles. But you get 2 of these sample packs in the kit, all right? What else comes in the kit? It includes the diffuser, your choice of the 2 I showed you. 11 5-milliliter bottles of essential oil. The Aroma Glide Roller Fitment, which I showed you. 1 ounce of Thieves Household Cleaner. 10 Love It, Share It business cards. 10 Love It, Share It sample oil bottles. So 10 of these little, I call them dram bottles. You get 10 of those if you want to share oils with family and friends. A product guide, 2 Ninja Red 2-ounce samples, product price list, essential oil magazine, essential edge, and members resources. So how much is the kit? The kit is $160 plus shipping and handling. If you decide that this is for you and you would like to purchase a kit, if you are a person who I have sent this to personally and privately, I will give you a $25 credit. So in other words, after you purchase the kit and you have a member number, I'll go onto your account and post a $25 credit that can be used for future purchases. What else did I want to let you know? Oh, this is incredibly important. All right, so once you purchase a premium starter kit, you are a wholesale member now. You get 24% off of everything. Forever and ever, amen. As long as you have to make a $50 purchase within the first 365 days after you've bought the kit. So in other words, if you buy the kit on July 1st and you spend $50 between now and next July 1st, you maintain your wholesale membership. If you go past that, your account becomes inactive, and it would drop you back to being a regular retail customer. And what does that mean? All right, so I have this printout of the wholesale versus retail prices. And for example, and these are all 5-milliliter bottles. For frankincense, retail is $40.13. Wholesale is $30.50. For Copaiba, retail is $28.95. Wholesale is $22. So that gives you an idea of the difference in prices. So I did a little math down here. The kit is $160. If you choose to get it, I give you the $25 credit on your account, which more than covers shipping and handling. But if you were to buy retail, frankincense, Panaway, and Copaiba, the 5 ml bottles, it would cost you $116.75 before shipping and tax. So that's $116.75. If you add another, what, 40 some, 50 some dollars, you could get 11 oils, not 3, plus a diffuser. So the kits, they make them this, they're the only thing on the Young Living website that is 50% off, the only thing. And they do that to incentivize people to want to buy them and try them and see if they love their oils. If you get them and you try them and you don't like them, you never have to buy them again. But yeah, I just want to let you know that. So again, if you choose to buy, that's fine. If it's not for you, that's fine too. The important thing is I hope you did learn a lot in this class. I'm happy that you joined me. Thank you so much. Whether you buy a kit or not, if you have questions, feel free to ask me, and I'm happy to answer. Okay? And I can send you samples too, whether you buy a kit or not. All right? All right. Have a good evening. I think that's it for now. I will be posting other information at a later time. And until then, thank you again, and I'll see you.